What is silver solder? Have you ever wondered how jewelers create those beautiful, seamless pieces of jewelry? One key element in this process is something called silver solder. Silver solder is a metal alloy made primarily of silver, along with other metals like copper and zinc. These additional metals help lower the melting point of the alloy compared to pure silver. This means silver solder can melt and flow at lower temperatures, which is essential for joining metal parts without damaging the main components. In the world of jewelry and watchmaking, silver solder plays a vital role. It is used to create strong, durable bonds between pieces of silver or gold. For instance, jewelers often use silver solder to connect jump rings, chain links, or to set gemstones securely. Silver solder comes in various forms, including wire, paste, and sheet, giving jewelers flexibility for different soldering techniques and project needs. You will find silver solder available in different grades, commonly referred to as hard, medium, easy, and extra easy. Each grade has a specific melting point and silver content. Hard solder has the highest melting temperature and silver content, making it ideal for the first joins in a multi-step soldering process. Softer solders, on the other hand, melt at lower temperatures and are used for later joins or delicate repairs. This ensures that earlier joints remains intact during the heating process. Choosing the right type of silver solder is important for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your jewelry. High-quality silver solder typically contains at least 67% silver. This ensures compatibility with sterling silver, which is 92.5% silver, and meets Hallmark standards for authenticity and durability. The process of soldering involves heating the metal parts and applying silver solder. The solder melts and flows into the joint through capillary action. As it cools, it forms a seamless, permanent bond that is both strong and subtle, preserving the design and function of the piece. When it comes to verifying silver authenticity, silver solder is a reliable material. It closely matches the color and properties of sterling silver. Proper use of silver solder helps maintain the value and appearance of jewelry pieces. This is critical when identifying genuine silver jewelry and watches or performing repairs without compromising authenticity. So, next time you admire a piece of jewelry, remember the role that silver solder plays in its creation and durability.